Right. So, as part of our treasury management domain itself is concerned, today we are going to discuss about treasury clearing because in the last sessions we have discussed about the importance of treasury management, right? So, how the treasury management functions. That part we have covered already, right? So, hope you guys know that. Now, today we are going to discuss about treasury cleaning. Uh, Generally, treasury cleaning is majorly something which refers to the process where the transactions involving in US Treasury securities which are settled through any central counterparty instead of direct between the buyers and as well as sellers. This process uh, usually mandated by Securities and Exchange Commission, which is called SEC. The major reason behind treasury cleaning is to reduce the counterpart risk and as well as enhancing market stability. Whatever the FICCs we have, like fixed income clearing corporations, uh, whatever the US Treasury securities, these are all something which will be acted as a intermediary between the buyers and as well as sellers. When we try to understand about the treasury clearance importances and all that, so the first one, it reduces the counterparty risk because it acts as a intermediary between the CCP, takes on the risk and as well as default from one party, reducing the risk for other parties, all that. Next, it enhances the market stability by increasing the central clearing, increases transparencies and as well as reduces the uh, disruptions in the market which caused by the defaults, etc. Also followed by that, it also increases the efficiency uh, when there is any clearing houses we are using, which can streamline the settlement process, uh, result in leading in faster and as well as more efficient transactions, all that. Now, today we must be knowing about what are the key features that are involved here, especially from the treasury clearances point of view. We need to know about the key features. The first one about mandatory clearing. First one is called uh, mandatory clearing. This is the first one when we try to understand this. This is the next one about CCPs. This is the second one. The third about the margin requirements. Margin requirements. This is the third one we have. So the third one about the margin requirements. Fourth one about the standardized contracts. Standardized contracts, what we have, right? So standardized. Yeah, standardized contracts. Uh, this is the fourth one. Next one about the implementation timeline. Next one about the implementation timeline. So these are the different features that we can see when it comes to the treasury clearing itself is concerned. When you're talking about mandatory clearing, which majorly SEC will rule the require the most secondary market and as well as repurchase agreements in US Treasury securities, which is to be cleared centrally. When it comes to the CCPs as intermediaries, which acts as an intermediary becoming the buyer and as well as sellers to each trade guarantees and the transaction completions. When it comes to the margin requirements are concerned, which CCPs requires members to post any kind of margins to cover any potential losses so that if there is any reducing of risk further, that can be addressed here. When we are talking about standardized contracts are concerned, whatever the use of standardized contracts that we have, which can simplify the clearing process, and at the same time it also reduces the risk of disputes on it. Last but not least, implementation timeline. What are the cash transactions that we do, right? So eligibility of cash transactions, which must be cleared by a particular time on it. This is all something which will be of which will be involved in context to the treasury cleaning itself is concerned from the uh, key features are. So there are other elements that we need to discuss about the treasury cleaning part, so that we are going to discuss in the next session.